back to Mud Lake Ranch. Today we're going to go over the disassembly for cleaning of the Taurus G2, the G2 series. This one here is a Taurus G2 Millennium PT-111. I picked this thing up used on Gunbroker. Extremely happy with it, especially for the price. These are affordable handguns. They operate a little differently than my SIG 365. Similar to a Glock as far as disassembly. So here you have your mag release. This gun is unloaded. You have your slide release, and this has a manual safety. So if you click this up, you cannot operate the slide or fire the weapon. To disassemble the gun, it takes an odd grip. I'm going to pivot the gun so you can see. This is makes it a lot easier to manipulate than if you're trying to do it with two hands. Pull the slide back slightly and pull back these two on each side down. Release, pull the trigger, and the slide will come off. All right, from there, you simply push forward the recoil spring and remove it, and then pick up on the barrel, lift, pull it out. And then these three pieces are removed and disassembled and ready to clean. This gun's clean. I will do a cleaning video on this weapon, this firearm, in the future. But I had a few minutes on a Friday night. My sons are in a wrestling match, or on their way to a wrestling match that I'm driving to tomorrow. It's 3 hours away. And we're gonna watch some Christmas movies, but I wanted to get a few seconds to do a video. So to reassemble, insert your barrel, spring assembly, line up your slide with the rails, bring it all the way back, and then you're locked on. And reinsert your mag, lock down. So then your slide release here, hard to see backwards, operates as such, safety operates as such. Always keep your weapon pointed in a safe direction. Again, thank you for stopping by. If you like this video and if it helped you, hit the subscribe button, make sure you like it, and always be armed.